Have you found yourself stuck in the cycle of traditional agency model? Endless client revisions, manual work overload, unpredictable income, and constant client turnover. It's exhausting and leaves very little room to scale or enjoy life. You're probably wondering if there is a better, less stressful way to run your agency. Now imagine if there was a simpler and a more sustainable business model that allowed you to automate client fulfillment, generate consistent recurring revenue, and dramatically reduce stress. For instance, companies like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign charge businesses hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month just for the software. Now, while these platforms earn massive recurring revenues, they take a hefty portion of the profits. With Go High Level, GHL, you can replicate their successful model. But here is the critical difference. You keep 100% of your revenue, no splitting profits with expensive third-party platforms. And here is an exclusive bonus. I'm offering you a 30 days free trial of this powerful system, access to our live bootcamp sessions, weekly live coaching calls, and a premium community to support your journey. To unlock these incredible resources, simply check the resources section of this course. Let's dive into the pros and the cons of each model to clearly understand how an AI SaaS agency differs from a traditional marketing agency. Traditional agency, the pros of having a traditional agency. High ticket client fees, usually one time or short term. That's what I had been doing for about 10 years. Personal and customized client interactions. Potentially large project based revenues. Traditional agencies cons, labor intensive work and manual fulfillment. Difficult scalability due to time and resource constraints. High client expectations and frequent burnout. Unpredictable income streams due to client churn. So now let's talk about the AI SaaS agencies pros. Predictable and recurring monthly revenue. Automated client fulfillment through powerful softwares. Minimal manual intervention required. Less burnout. Highly scalable. Easy onboarding, simple maintenance. Consistent results leading to satisfied, loyal clients. Now, some of the cons of having an AI SaaS agency. Initial setup and branding of the software, a one-time effort. Ongoing updates and optimization to maintain competitiveness, minimal but required. Clearly, the AI SaaS model provides a significantly more attractive business structure, prioritizing your time, profitability, and scalability. Transitioning to an AI SaaS agency isn't just about changing your business model, it's about reclaiming your freedom, reducing the stress, and enjoying predictable, growing income. Imagine waking up each day knowing your agency runs smoothly without your constant intervention, freeing you to focus on growth and enjoyment. And that's what the AI agency gives you. Your next step is simple. Check the resources section of this course. Right now, you will immediately unlock your 30 days free trial of Go High Level, gain exclusive access to our live bootcamp, and join our premium community, where you will benefit from weekly live coaching calls. So do not wait, transform your agency and your life today.